Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Telesin Neck Mount. It's a neck mount that you can use for your GoPro and telephone. I bought it for around $14 from Temu. You can get it from Amazon as well. In this video, I will be showing you the build quality, how this mount is supposed to be used, is it comfortable or not, and we will see that whether this mount can be used for shooting point of view videos using a simple method instead of using those mounts in the mouth or tying a mount to your chest or something on your head. I will also show the videos that I recorded using the help of this mount. So let's start this video with a quick unboxing. Inside the box, you will get a quick start guide and you will get a GoPro style screw which can be used for using your GoPro or attaching a mount for attaching your phone to this mount. You will also get another extension for changing the orientation of your GoPro or the phone that you will be attaching to this mount. And the mount itself. This mount is flexible and is made of some rubberized material, and maybe it has some metal wire inside it, so it is flexible and it maintains its shape. It has some weight to it. I hope it is comfortable on the neck. Most of these type of mounts are very lightweight, but they are always shaking and moving when you are walking around. Overall, with the build quality, I'm pretty much satisfied. Good quality materials have been used. I'm just a little bit worried about this locking mechanism. Let's see how long it lasts. And as expected, attaching the GoPro to this mount was easy. It fits quite well. You can attach the GoPro in two different orientations, vertical and horizontal. You can also adjust the angle of the GoPro. I bought this adapter separately for attaching my phone to this mount. So in case you don't have a GoPro, you can use your phone using this adapter. It was easy to put around the neck. It was comfortable. It did not feel too much heavy. And you can adjust it because it is made by a rubber material. You can adjust it according to the contour of your collarbones. It fit quite well and it was not too low, because if the camera is too low, the POV angle will not be that great. You can also use this mount as a tripod or just like a tripod because it's flexible and you can adjust its angle and you can even wrap it around things. Now I will be showing you some sample clips that I recorded using this mount. Here is a gameplay recording of some fighting game using this mount, and I'm just using it on my neck. You can see the POV. It's accurate. This mount can be used for recording POV style videos of different products. You can just use your phone or a GoPro and some better lighting. With the help of this mount, you can easily record POV style driving videos, which is much safer than holding the phone in the hand. This mount can also be used for shooting POV style vlogs. In that way, your hands will be free and you can enjoy the moment as well instead of holding the camera in your hand all the time. And you can also talk easily while you are just recording the video. In my opinion, this is a very good way of saving memories and you can just enjoy the moment and record the video at the same time. When I go out, I just hang this camera on my neck and that's it. Later on I see the videos and most of the time the videos are great. I don't have to record them especially while holding the GoPro or a camera in my hand. So this is a good thing. I also use this mount while cycling. Even though there were lots of bumps, the GoPro's stabilization was working and the mount was not shaking because it is well seated around the neck and it has some weight, so it's not moving up and down or sideways. For me, using this mount is much more easier than other mounts like wrapping one around your chest or on your helmet or putting one in your mouth. This one is much more easy to use. You just put it around your neck and that's it, and you can easily take it off as well. So in my opinion, if you are into POV videos or you want to have a different perspective of videos and you want to keep your hands free all the time while making a video, you can consider a mount like this one. And this was all about today's review. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked this video, a thumbs up will be really appreciated. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next time, have a good one.